movement SOLIDWORK. Presented in the assembly movement and base movement. Go to panel animation, set the animation or basic motion. For example, set the animation. In any case, should be ready with the necessary assemblies made. Some move, rotate or move. Exit movement component and select motor. In dialog window, set rotary motor. Select component in workplace. Select direction. Look out the arrow, red arrow on the work field. Set another properties and OK. Some linear motor. Select object, select direction, set motion and OK. The make assembly to move linearly. The theme of engine specify linear motor type and parameter. And let's play. Sim move. SOLIDWORK add-ins. SOLIDWORK motion. Activate the panel. After activate, we have motion analysis.